Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off dialing keypad vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the dialing keypad, and here if you dial something on the screen, there will be some small vibration you will experience. This is default settings. If you want to turn off this dialing keypad vibration, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system vibration, and here you go to turn off dialing keypad option, and then hereafter if you type on the dialing keyboard, there will be no vibration. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off dialing keyboard vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.